Number patterns, very important topics. Today's question, like as before, you and 3 friends are studying for maths and are sitting together at a square table like number 1 table. Where is me and 3 friend? It means this one is me and 1 friend, 2 friend, 3 friend, total 4 person, right? A few minutes later, 2 other friends arrive, so you move another table next to yours. Now 6 people can sit at the table. So first table we have seated 4 person. Now 2 person come. Now we are sitting 2 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Another 2 friends also join your group. So you take a third table and add it to the existing tables. Now 8 people can sit together as shown below. So another 2 person added. So same thing, first how many person? 4 person, then 2 person add, then 2 person add, total 8 person. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can write here first table 4 person, second table 6 person, third table 8 person. So difference is 2 person. It means once 2 person come, we just add existing table with another table. So 2 person will be increase, right? Now our question, find an expressions for the number of people seated at n table. So first table, second table, third table. But if we want nth table, what is the expression? Let's start. So this expression we can find 2 way. First method, first table, first table. So first table, how many person can sit? 4. It means 4 person, but no table or friends at, so it will be 0. Second table, how many person? 6 person. So first table 4 person, second table 2 person will be at, right? Then we can write first person is first table, it's a table, right? So first table 4 person is a common thing, no problem. Then 2 person add, it means we are writing like this, 1 table add and 2 person come, okay? Third table, first table 4 person, second table 2 person add, third table again 2 person add. So first table 4 person is common, then second table, and look here is how many 2, here is 2 2, so 2 times 2, right? Fourth table, 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, right? First table 4 person, second table 2 person add, third table 2 person add, fourth table 2 person at. It means 4 first table and 3 table 2 person at. So it means 3 times 2. Look, here is 4, here is 6, here is 8, and here is 3 times 2 6, 6 plus 4 what? 10. Now nth table. First table 4 person plus 2 person plus 2 person plus 2 person dot 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 plus 2 person. So this one we can write 4 plus. Then each table how many person at? 2 person, right? And how many table? N minus 1. Why? Look, here is 4 table but 3 table at. It means 1 less. Third table, here 2 times 2. It means 2 person is a common thing, but look, here is third table and here we multiply 2 times 1. Similar, second table 1 times 2. So 1, 2, 3. So number of table minus 1. So this one we can write 4 plus 2n minus 1 minus 2 equals to 2n plus 2. This is our nth term expression. Okay, clear? Have any question? If any question, just write a line in the comments box. So our first question answer done. Okay, we can write done. If you think this is a complex, you can follow second method. Look, first term, what is? First term is 4, right? And look, here we have to know the sequence. In first table we are sitting 4 person. Once we add, we are sitting 6 person. Again we add, we are sitting 8 person. So what is the difference between each term? It means first term 4 person, second term 6 person, third term 8 person. So difference is 2. Okay. So this one we can write like this: first term 1 times difference 2. So how many point or number need to make 4? We need 2, because 1 times 2 is a 2, 2 plus 2 is a what? 4. Second term, it's 6. So how many term? This one is second term. What is the difference? Difference is 2. And we add, first term we add 2, here is also we add 2. Add will be the same thing. Now look, 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 plus 2 is a 6. Third term 8. So look, how many term? This is a third term. What is the difference? 2. How many number we add? We add 2. So 3 times 2 is a 6, 6 plus 2 is a 8. So n term equals to how many term? N. What is the difference? 2. How many we add? 2. So look, 2n plus 2 is a same matter. So you may follow first method or second method, anyone you can follow this one. So here Tn equals to 2n plus 2, and also here Tn equals to 2n plus 2. So our first question answer done. Now second one, use the general formula to determine how many people can sit around 12 tables. So this one is a n tables. 12 tables, how many person can sit? So this one we can write it, this is a question answer 1 and 2 we can write here. So we know Tn equals to 2n plus 2, then T12, it means number of table is 12, how many person can sit? 2 times n, here we can write, instead of n we can write 12 plus 2, then 12 times 2 means 24 plus 2, it's equals to 26. So our second question answer is 26. Third question, how many tables are needed to sit 20 people? How many person need? So this one, what will be the answer? This one we can write where? We can write here. Question 3, Tn equals to 2n plus 2, so 20%. So we need to find out how many table need. It means here 2n plus 2, this one we can write 20 minus 2 equals to 2n, it means 18 equals to 2n. So once you divide both sides by 2, 9 equals to n. It means 9 tables are needed to sit 20%. 9 table. So this page we are trying to complete this one. Hope you understand this one. My request, don't see this video faster. Slowly if you see, just you see, hope you clear everything. So number 1, this one or this one, first method or second method. Number 2, this one, and number 3, this one. Number 1 answer is what? Number 1 answer is 2n plus 2. Here is 2 method. Number 2 answer is 26 and number 3 answer is 9. So hope you clear everything. If you have any question, just write a line. If you think this video is very important for you or this is clear for you, just likes my channel and don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.